Hello students, I hope all are fine and are doing your studies properly. Do your homeworks on time and submit it on the day itself. I hope you were clear with the previous topic. So let's start today with a new topic, reproductive health. Let's study in detail about reproductive health. So reproductive health. Reproductive health, it is a state of complete physical, mental and social well-being and not merely the absence of infirmity or disease in all matters relating to the reproductive system and to its functions and process. So the reproductive health represents a society with people having physically and functionally normal the reproductive organs. The healthy people have healthier babies and are able to care of their family and more of the society and community. So hence a healthy is the community issue. So the reproductive system is a complex system controlled by a neuroendocrine system. So hence it is important to take the step. Reproductive health. So already I told, so the society with people having physically and functionally normal, that is reproductive organs, and reproductive system is complex system that is controlled by the neuroendocrine system. Need for reproductive health problems and strategies. So family planning program and RCH creating awareness, that is the India is the first few countries in the world to initiate the family planning program since 1951, and these programs are popularly named as reproductive and child health care, that is RCH. And major important characters, the creating awareness and providing medical assistance to build a healthy society. The introducing sex education in schools to provide information about adolescence and adolescence related changes, and the educating couples and those in the marriageable age groups about the available birth control methods and family planning norms. So the age group, the marrying couple age groups in male age group is 21. So the different layers, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm, and the ectoderm, the epidermis of skin and derivatives including the sweat glands, hair follicles and epithelial lining of mouth and anus, cornea and lens of eye, the nervous system, sensory receptor in epidermis, adrenal medulla, tooth enamel, epithelium, pineal and pituitary glands. These are all in ectoderm. And the mesoderm, the notochord, skeletal system, muscular system and muscular layer of the stomach and intestine, excretory system, circulatory and lymphatic system, reproductive system except the germ cells, and the dermis of skin and lining of the body cavity, adrenal cortex. These are all in mesoderm. And endoderm, epithelial lining of digestive tract and epithelium lining of respiratory system, the lining of urinary bladder and reproductive system. Important the point, reproductive system in present in endo. So this picture is birth control methods. The birth control methods, natural methods, and the A and oral contraceptive and surgical methods and IUDs. These are all in birth control methods. The natural methods divided into the periodic abstinence and B and coitus interruptus, and the A, the condoms, valors and caps, etc. Then the oral contraceptive pills and the surgical methods, vasectomy and Z, and IUDs D. These are all important for the birth control methods. Amniocentesis. A male child female population is decreasing at an alarming rate. So the amniocentesis is a parental technique used to detect any chromosomal abnormalities in the fetus, and it is in the being often misused to determine the sex of the fetus. So once the sex of the fetus is known, there may be a chance of female feticides. So hence the statutory ban is amniocentesis is imposed. Amniocentesis. What is amniocentesis? A procedure performed usually in the beginning of pregnancy to detect chromosomal abnormalities in the fetus. So usually done when a woman is between 16 and 22 weeks pregnant. So during this procedure, a sample of amniotic fluid is taken from the amniotic sac and surrounding the unborn baby, and its DNA is examined for genetic abnormalities. And the amniotic fluid has cells that the skin of the developing baby has shed, as well as his or her waste product. So each cell from a baby in the fluid contains their complete set of DNA genetic information. So analyzing the cells, they help the doctor assess the fetus, the health, and detect the potential problems. And the entire amniocentesis appointment, the test is approximately 45 minutes. It involves detailed ultrasound examination. This is amniocentesis. It is a medical procedure used to the parental diagnosis of chromosomal abnormalities and the fetal infections, and also used for gender determination, in which a small amount of amniotic fluid which contains the fetal tissues and the sample from the amniotic sac surrounding the developing fetus and the fetal DNA is examined for genetic abnormalities such as Down syndrome or cystic fibrosis. These are all genetic abnormalities. Amniocentesis. Who is a candidate for amniocentesis? Any pregnant woman who at her due date will be 40 years of age of older. Any woman whose confessed the result or high risk, that is the blood test and or fetal ultrasound. And any woman whose ultrasound result indicates a potential fetal chromosomal anomaly, that is anomaly. Then any woman who has a family history or whose partner has a family history of more incidents of chromosomal abnormalities. So the genetic disorders with a high recurrence risk. It is also possible for women under the age of 40. So with no history of genetic disorder have an amniocentesis. It is a matter of personal choice. So the full karyotype, the cell of the body contains, each cell of the body contains 23 pairs, that is 46 chromosomes. A full karyotype check all of this. So the number of chromosomes, the appearance of the chromosomes. The result from a full karyotype will usually ready for the 2 or 3 weeks. In about 1 in every 100 tests, the result may not be clear. This could be due to the mother blood contaminating the sample of amniotic fluid, which may have prevented the cells from growing properly. So then another method, the social impact of sex ratio, the female foeticides and the infanticide. The sex ratio is ratio of the male to the female in the population. So in India, the child sex ratio has so the result in the amniocentesis result. So negative result and positive result. The negative result is the most women who have amniocentesis result in the procedure will be negative. That's their baby will not have any disorder that were tested for. Then positive test result. If the test result in the positive, it means the baby has the disorder that was being tested for. So one should be aware that there is no cure for the majority of chromosomal condition. So the needs to consider for options carefully. So option may include the continuing with her pregnancy with getting information and advice about the condition. So the prepared for the caring of the baby. So ending her pregnancy, so option of ending her pregnancy will depend on how many weeks pregnant she is when. So the population growth, the suggestive measures for planned population growth. So the easy and cheap availability of contraceptives and development education to our low and adopt the controlling measures, and especially people or rural areas, and the increased health facilities and better living conditions have enhanced. Then according to recent report from the UN, the India population has already reached 1.26 billion and expected to become the largest country in population size, supposing the China around 2022, to overcome the problem, the population explosion. So the birth control is the only available solution. So people should be motivated to the smaller families by using various contraceptive devices and advertisement by the government in the media, as well as the posters, pillars. Birth control. So adolescent reproductive health and education project. So the birth control methods. So the voluntary use of contraceptive procedure to prevent fertilization or prevent the implantation of a fertilized egg in the uterus is termed as birth control. So an ideal contraceptive should be user friendly, easily available, so with least side effect, and should be they interfere with the sexual drive. So the contraceptive methods are two types, that is temporary and permanent. So the temporary means sometime, and the permanent is permanent, that is long life. The natural, chemical and mechanical and hormonal barrier methods are the temporary birth control methods. The birth control, hormonal contraceptive. So the hormonal preparations used for reversible suppression of fertility. So the need of the day and mortality rate has declined and the birth rate has increased. So the high failure rate with the other contraceptive methods. Birth control, oral contraceptive. So history of oral contraceptive. So 1937, discovery of effect in the progesterone on ovulation, and 1940s the Russell marker isolates the progesterone from Mexican yams, and 1951 Lewis and the synthesis first progestin, and 1960 the FDA approves the bill, and the 1963 the first oral contraceptive put on the drug market, and the 1965 number 1 of the birth control. So the last 1970s the FDA the warning that the indicated oral contraceptive carried risk of the cancer and blood clots. Family planning and counseling and should be very important. The respectful of the human rights of women and girls and their partners. So this is very important for the human. Birth control. So birth control method. So the definition, oral contraceptive or medicines taken by the mouth to help prevent the pregnancy. They are also known as birth control pills. Types of contraception. So the barrier contraceptive and hormonal contraceptives and sterilization. So the barrier methods. In these methods the ovum and sperm are prevented from the meeting so that fertilization does not occur. So the chemical barrier. So forming the tablets, melting, and the jellies and creams are used to chemical agents that are inactivate the sperms in the vagina. Then hormonal contraceptive. That is the hormone. It prevents the ovaries from the releasing the ova and thickens in the cervical fluid, which keeps the sperm away from the ovum. So the cases of population explosion, the accelerating birth rate, then decrease in infant mortality, then increase in the life expectancy, then increased immigration. These are all important for the population. That is the another one, the accelerating birth rate, the awareness due to back the awareness about the positive impact or using birth control method. There has been a steady growth and birth rate, and the decrease the improvements science and technology and wide usage, then increases in life expectancy, then the better hygienic, then the improved living conditions, then increased immigration. So it happens when a large number arrive in already populated place with intent. Types of birth control, so already told, so hormonal, barrier and the contraceptive, this is the IUD and IUC, and methods based on information and permanent sterilization. These are all important for this birth control method. SID, the formerly known as SID, sexually transmitted disease. The estimated number of people in US with an incurable SID in over 65 million, and every year there are approximately 15 million new cases in SID, and by age 24 it believed that 1 in 4 Americans will contract an SID. So that is, the reproductive tract infections are called sexually transmitted infections. Normally the STI are transmitted from person to person during the intimate sexual contact with an infected partner. Infections like hepatitis B and HIV, they transmitted sexually as well as by sharing of infusion needles and surgical instruments with infected people, and blood transfusion or from the infected mother to baby. And people in the age the 15 to 24 years, they are prone to these infections. This is birth control. So what is birth control? So it can mean the abstinence. So things can you do not ensure that pregnancy happens only if you want. I can also mean using a method, a contraception, to ensure that pregnancy does not occur when you do have a sexual intercourse. A way to reduce this risk of contracting an SID or STI. Reproductive health. The reproductive health care should include, these are all important points for the family planning, counseling and information, education, communication service and education service in parental care, and the prevention, appropriate the treatment of infertility, abortion and treatment of reproductive tract infections and SID, other reproductive health conditions, and human sexually, the reproductive characters. These are all the control for this, the reproductive health. So the birth control and contraception, what is the difference? So the birth control, any means of preventing a birth from taking place and includes the contraception and abortion, and contraception in the birth control that works, they prevent contraception. That is very, very important for this, the birth control. The female feticide in India. So the refers to aborting the female in the mother womb, whereas the female infanticide, the killing the female child after her birth. These have resulted in imbalance in sex ratio. In the 2018, the United Nations Developmental Programme's Gender Inequality Index reflected that India was ranked at 135 out of 187 countries. That is due to availability of very few economic opportunities to women as compared to men. So in order to prevent the female foeticide and infanticide, the government of India has taken various steps like the preconception and parental diagnostic technique at female feticide in India. So the child sex ratio has dropped from 1945 females per 1000 males in 1981 to 1927 females per 1000 males in 2001. So difference. They estimated that 50 million girls and women are missing from India population because of termination of the female fetus. The female feticides in India increased by the 49.2%. So that the female feticides refer to aborting the female in the mother womb, and whereas the female infanticides killing the female child after her birth. These have resulted in imbalance in sex birth in ratio in the United Nations Developmental Programs and Gender Inequality Index, and reflected that India was ranked in economic opportunities to women as compared to men. So the population explosion and birth control. The increases in size and growth of human population is called population explosion. The reason for high population explosions are the decline in death rate, the longer lifespan, decline in maternal mortality rate, and decline in infant mortality rate. Some religious beliefs are against birth control and lack of reproductive health knowledge. Then the slogan, the advertisement by the government in the media as well as the posters, bills, etc. With a slogan, Nam Iruvar, Namakkiruvar, we too, ours too, and Nam Iruvar, Namakku Oruvar, we too, ours one, have also motivated control population growth in Tamil Nadu and the rising of marriageable age of the female to 18 years and that male to 21. The birth control population growth in our country. So the marriageable age of female 18 years and male 21 years. So reproductive health, it is important point, that is recall. It is the state of physical and emotional behavior and social fitness for leading the reproductive life. According to World Health Organization, a total well-being, all aspect of reproduction. To achieve this, family planning initiated in 1951, the reproductive health, the problem and strategies. In Indian culture, discussing about knowledge of sex and reproductive health is wrong thing. The population explosion reason, the country's supposed transition and the experience of benefit economic and social growth, urbanization, changed role of women in society, rich source of base, and education, healthcare, advanced technology. These are all in reason for the population explosion. The hormonal methods. These methods add chemicals similar to the hormones to stop the release and the egg and the weaken the sperm. So the hormone change your cervical mucus and uterine lining, slow sperms and reduce ability of fertilized egg to implant into uterine wall. So that is important method. Then another one is, this is birth control method. So once again I repeat all the topics. So the reproductive health, need for reproductive health and problem and strategy, and the aminosynthesis and it is the social effect of sex ratio, then the birth control methods and population explosion and birth control, that is the coitus, then luck, then the barrier methods, the chemical barrier, the mechanical barrier, then hormonal barrier and oral contraceptive. Then these are all important for this, the birth control method, then hormone releasing, then progesterone, then is the permanent birth control method, the surgical sterilization method, the tubectomy and vasectomy, then is medical level. These are all important for this birth control method and population explosion control. This is very, very important. And then the homework, make 3 detailed question answer. Okay students.